You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from medicine. If you want to learn more confusing names from medicine, medical terms, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. British English pronunciation: puerperal, puerperal, puerperal sepsis, puerperal sepsis. American English pronunciation: puerperal, puerperal sepsis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.